Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're fixing the chat is restricted in your region on Roblox. So guys, the first thing you want to do is contact Roblox support and of course ask them to update your region. So for that, you just type in Roblox support, we go to the official page. I highly recommend logging in, it's going to make our job easier. You can just skip the name and first name, it's whatever, email address isn't required, we are logged in, so that's fine. And now in the device type, you choose your device. In my case, it's Android phone. Then type of category, you need how to. And subcategory, change my location. And in the description of the issue, you type in something like can't access the chat in my region. Please update it. Something like this. All right. And after that, you press continue. Oh, we actually do need email address. All right, no problem. All right, so the email address is in, and now you just press on continue, and then they will, of course, review your ticket and your issue and respond back to you when they're ready with the results for this matter. So just keep an eye out on your email and wait for the letter from them. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.